Dancehall producer Shab had his bail extended. The music producer, whose given name is Linville Thompson Jr., was charged with breaching the Corruption Prevention Act last October. Shab, who is in custody on reasonable suspicion in relation to another incident, did not appear in court yesterday. However, his bail was extended to July 12 after his attorney Donahue Martin informed the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court that his client had been taken into custody and would not be appearing. It is alleged that he offered a policeman $2 million to remove an illegal firearm from his vehicle before it was searched. Now, dancehall artist Skillibang's remix of Wap Wap featuring American rappers Fivio Foreign and French Montana is currently trending number 8 on YouTube. Shot in the US, the dancehall star alongside his American collaborators take on the gritty streets of New York City's urban metropolis. Meanwhile, Skillibang is currently on his first US tour. The artist is set to perform in San Francisco today. He will then head to New York City, Washington, Brooklyn, and Atlantic City. The Recording Academy has announced 5 new categories for the Grammy Awards, including Songwriter of the Year. The Songwriter category will honor one individual who was the most prolific, non-performing and non-producing songwriter for a new body of work during the eligibility year. The 4 other categories include Best Spoken Word Poetry Album, Alternative Music Performance, American Music Performance, and Score Soundtrack for Video Games and Other Interactive Media. The Academy has also created a special merit award that will honor the best song for social change. The award will be based on lyrical content and addresses a timely social issue and promotes understanding, peace building, and empathy. According to the Recording Academy, the annual revision of the Grammy Awards process ensures that awards accurately reflect all notable contributions to the industry and further illuminate all genres and crafts that make music possible. Mariah Carey is facing a multi-million-dollar lawsuit over her 1994 festive classic, All I Want for Christmas Is You. Reports said that the New Orleans songwriter Andy Stud is seeking $20 million amid a claim that he co-wrote a song with the same name in 1989, some 5 years before Carey released her single. He is suing Carey for copyright infringement and misappropriation. In addition to Carey, her co-writer Walter and Sony Music Entertainment are named in the complaint. All I Want for Christmas Is You is a mega hit track that has been successful for years. The Mariah Carey All I Want for Christmas Is You Make My Wish Come True edition currently boasts over 200 million views on YouTube. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.